This is the loft area in Sounds of the Sea. You can see you got 3 skylights that look out in the ocean. You also have a single chair that lays out into a bed. Bar, another plasma TV, half bath. The futon bed lays out into a queen bed. Our favorite's the big Marlin. Again, the ocean view out skylights. If you sleep up here, you can look out here every morning when you wake up. It's a great view. Down below is the loft area. The main great room. Bathroom. And there's another master bedroom upstairs. Here with a full bed and its own private bath. And then back down the steps back to the main floor.